Oh yeah, I got something good on there. That is not a stick. Oh, come on. Oh, stay on there, stay on there. No, 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 stay on there. Oh, oh, pull and drag. Pull and drag. There we go. There we go. Only, okay, little bass. Little bass. There we go. All right. So, it's the third species of the day. Bluegill, crappie, and now bass. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. There's a tiny one. So far, everything's been hitting this little white grub jig. Got him. Got him. Ooh, where are you? Whoa! Come on, come on, where are you? Whoa! Oh! Oh! There we go. There we go. That's a nicer one. We're going to keep this guy. There's a lot of bass in here this size. And as I've been doing research on pond management, when you got tons of bass this size, let me turn around here. When you have tons of bass this size, it's good to take some of these out, not taking anything above 2.5 pounds. So there's some meat on there. That'll feed somebody. We're going to keep that one. Got him. Another bass. This one's a little too small. This one's a little too small to keep. Oh, fun though. Having so much fun. Oh, it looks like you've been caught before. There we go. All right. Okay. Well, I've caught crappie, bluegill, bass on my kayak today. But now I'm going to go in. I'm going to swap out my kayak for the Trident Explorer Watercraft, invented by Greg Ferris. Had a wonderful time on the water with Greg this morning. The fishing was good. The company was even better. Enjoyed spending time with Greg, getting to know him, talking about fishing and his vision for the Trident Explorer Watercraft. In my last video, I dedicated that video just to the Trident. And so now I'm going to give it a shot myself. I've heard about it. I've seen what Greg can do with it. Now I'm going to try to find out what a hack like me can do with it. All right. All right. So it's a bit of a learning curve for a guy like me. All right, so I'm on the All right, so I'm on the Trident Explorer Watercraft. And I've only been on for a minute, and I'm already getting the hang of this hands-free paddling with your feet. And I already like it. I already like the idea that I could paddle and cast at the same time. Wow. The seat is extremely comfortable. I could sit here like this all day long. I mean, again, I've only been on it for a minute or two, but this seat is so comfortable. It has me wondering, why am I in a kayak? I mean, literally, this is like sitting, well, like sitting in an office chair, a very comfortable office chair. It feels very, very stable. I can wobble around on it. I've got no concern whatsoever of going in the drink here. None. This is so nice. I have to catch a fish though. I have to catch a fish on the Trident. Greg's got to see me catch a fish on his invention. Oh, so easy to turn. So easy to turn. So standing up on the Trident Explorer is not a problem. I feel very comfortable standing on this. I was nervous. I was nervous getting up because I don't want to go in the water. You know, I think of these kayaks where you can stand in them, and guys do. I can't in mine. Mine's not wide enough for that. But the kayaks that you could stand up on, they're only inches wider than the kayak I'm on. And I just don't feel real comfortable standing up in a kayak. But on this, I feel very comfortable doing this. There we go. First fish on the Trident. It's going to be a little bluegill, but that's okay. Oh, there it goes. All right, well, I didn't get skunked. Didn't get skunked, Greg. Got him. Yeah, he feels better. Feels a little better. What are you? Be good. Be a good one. Oh, crappie. Another crappie. Yeah, not a bad one. Oh, he came off. Oh, that was a keeper. Oh, that was a keeper. Ooh, got him. Oh, he feels good. As soon as I hit the water, like right up against the bank. What are you? What are you? Oh, nice bluegill. Oh, that's a keeper bluegill there. There we go. Finally. Wow, that's pretty. Look at that. It's about keeper size. Okay. Oh, that was an easy retrieval. Was snagged on something down there. Was able to maneuver real easy, holding my pole center. Was able to steer with my feet, and easy retrieval of my jig. I like that. I like that. Oh yeah, I got something good on there. That is not a stick. Oh, come on. Oh, stay on there, stay on there. No, 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 stay on there. Oh, oh, pull and drag. Pull and drag. Oh. Oh, that's a big one. Whatever that is. Oh, stay on, stay on. Stay on, stay on. Stay on. Oh, stay on. Stay on. Come on. Can't even see it yet. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, big bass. Big bass. Might be the biggest bass I've ever caught. Oh yes! Woohoo! Caught my PB bass on the Trident Explorer by Greg Ferris. Oh, woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, 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 come on. Ow, ow. Oh. Ah. Come on. Ow. Oh, you're ferocious. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Woo! Oh! Personal best. Where's my ruler? Where is my ruler? Oh no! Ah! Oh no! Oh! 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 Whoa! Come here. Come here. Yeah, not too big. There we go. I'll take it though. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, nice bluegill. Well, it felt like one. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. There we go. There's a good one. Oh. Oh, I snagged this one in the eye. But it's a keeper. Oh, nice crappie, huh? All right, let's put that one in the bucket. Yeah, that's a nice one. Hang on just a second. I'm gonna come over there so you can dump it in the bucket. There we go.
You're like a fishing dock or something.
There we go. Can you reach?
There you go.
Got it?
Yep.
Cool.
That's a lot of fish.
Not too many. There's just some big ones in there, that's all. Let me back out of your way here.
Put a bigger lure on and I got a bigger fish.
Good. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ha ha. First fish on a wacky rig. Ah. Yeah? Here we go. First fish on a wacky rig. Do you? What do you got? What is it? Woo! Ha ha!
Holy moly! They didn't fight like that at all. They must be tired.
We'll get a measurement and a weight on that and a picture. Is that your biggest bass?
Yeah. For sure. Oh, he really hooked himself. He was not coming off of that.
He choked it, as they say.
He like right through his nose. Oh man. Pliers out for you.
Hang on, I got pliers.
I do too.
He's trying to get over there towards you. Here, pull mine. No, not with that. Animal. Don't tip me over you.
It wasn't like that. It wasn't like that.
Oh. There we go. All right. Let's get a look-see. Oh, that's a nice one, Matt. Matt, are those pliers for a great white shark, or is that for freshwater?
It goes along with my welding glove.
Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, you got them good. Give yourself some slack on your line. That'll help you because you're pulling against yourself there. Yeah, you're twisted up on your rod end there. Here.
He's pretty docile. All right.
There you go. That slack ought to help you. Push down. Come on, we want to get a weight before it loses weight. There you go. Excellent.
Don't drop that.
Don't drop this one. Yeah. Here, open that up for me. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's probably it. Oh!
And you drenched me. Come on, Tony.
That's twice.
Well,
Your biggest and my biggest.
We'll say it's the biggest one I ever caught. How big it was, I have no idea. Tony dropped it in the water.
Oh no. You forgive me?
I forgive you.
Oh wait.
You know what? I'm gonna get away from you real quick.
You know what?
You know,
We
slash me, knock me over. Not like this.
We don't even drink.
I'm glad we don't.
Oh, man, that was beautiful. That was at least a couple pounds. Got him. Whoa! Oh, this is a good one. Oh, and I left my net over at the... Oh, no. Oh, God, there we go. Oh, get in there. Ah.
That's probably the same fish. Thanks for re-catching it.
Come here. Oh.
Leave the hook in it.
Oh, hang on there. Whoa, nearly. Oh, you choked that. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see the hook.
Not the same fish?
No. There we go.
Oh boy, check this out. Yeah, that's smaller.
Oh! All right, let's try this again. Here, open.
I'm gonna let you do it.
Okay, let's watch. All right. 1.4. Wow. That's fun. Yeah, the one you caught was definitely bigger than that one, Matt. At least a half pound to a pound bigger than that one. What did you catch? What are you catching them on?
My gray minnow.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I basically been using that variation all day with like 3 different ones. Look at this thing.
Yeah. So if that's under 2 pounds, we're gonna keep it. Don't drop it this time.
It hasn't fought, so it's just waiting for its opportunity with you.
What's that?
Watch out. There's a tree right in front of you. Oh man, that was great. Oh boy, it's trying.
$1.65 pounds.
That's a good fish. I can't imagine fighting a 5-pound fish.
Oh! 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 Here we go. Addie, settle down, settle down, settle down. There we go. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Here we go. Oh. Oh! Oh, man!
Oh my goodness.
Maybe not that big, but boy, he hit hard. There, yeah, no, he's not that big. He's fat though. He's healthy. Oh, this is so much fun. This is so much fun. Oh! Oh! Well, he hit hard. Come here. Come here. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, come here. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh, this is a nice one, Matt. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, whoa, whoa. I definitely got to get better at this. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I have never caught bass like this in my life. Where are my pliers? There we go. Oh, look at that. How much does that weigh? Little over 2 pounds. Fifteen and a half inches. There he goes. Whoa. Uh-oh. Ah. Wow. Come here. All right. There we go. Wow, another fatty. Back out of here. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on, hang on. Hang on, hang on. All right, well, that fish got my worm, so. All right, Matt. What do you got there? Small one? All right, buddy, let's take it in. It's as hard for me as it is for you. They have hit all day long, all morning long. Wow, what a great day. What a great day. Matt has said several times today that this has been the best day of fishing in his life. And if I hadn't caught a thing, that would be enough for me. So once again, Nate and Sue, thank you so much for allowing us to spend time on your pond. Thanks for putting me together with Greg Ferris of Trident Explorer Watercraft, the inventor of that. Got to go out and try that out. What a wonderful piece of equipment. What an innovative idea. I loved it. But it's time to call it a day.